Hey guys, Junior Minecraft Genius here back with another. And today we're going to be learning about Google Forms. Like you saw on the first episode of as you saw on the thumbnail of this video, not the first episode. The thumbnail of this video you guys saw that we're doing Google Forms. So this is Google Forms. So this is Google Forms. So Google Forms allows you to make forms that you like and all. So these are templates that comes at the area. If we click on this template view, you can see that there's many things: blank quiz, exit ticket, assessment, worksheet, and then there's t-shirt sign up and all those types of things. And then there's also the blank. This is the main used one. So let's click on blank. Yes, so once you click on blank, you see that you see this screen. This screen is the normal screen. So in this screen, you can name the form for this test form. Just name it test form, and you can just add this. You can just add a description if you want. It's not necessary to add the description, but you can. And then after that, you'll see an untitled question. So now we can make an untitled question. So we can rename it, sorry, to like, what is your name? And then this will automatically, because Google senses that this does not require options, so it changes to a short answer. So the person that was doing this will go like this. So if what is your name and you want to have a choice, which would make completely no sense, but if you did want to, or like no, cancel, and then if you want to do like this, and then you can have a paragraph, you can have a multiple choice, you can have checkbox, you can have drop down. But the main used one is either multiple choice. No, these are the main used ones because these are most easy, but these can be used. And then that's that. Now you can see a few things at the bottom here. Oh, this is duplicate. You duplicate this question. Now we got what is your name. Then the next button is delete, throw in the trash, and this required lever. That means that the person that you give this to, or the person that does this survey or test, they have to answer this question. They will not be allowed to. They will not. It would have to send. If they click send, they'll have to submit it, and they'll have to do this question. Then we've got the two dots, description, and then this. Those are just there. Then we've got the plus arrow to put in the next question of your test or whatever you want. Then you can import questions. Currently, I don't have any questions, but you can import questions. Then you can add a title and description, untitled title, this, and then that, and then you can duplicate always and that. And then you've got the image, you can add an image, and then you can add a video, and then you can add a section. So this will be section one. Then the person that, so if we go to preview, see, this is the first section. If we click next, this will be the second section. And then you submit, but we don't want to submit. So yes, so that's that, and then that's that. So after that, so we've got this part done. Now you want to know about settings. Settings general collect email addresses. So the person that does this has to type in their email address before sending it. they have to send in their email address. So you can on that, and then response received. It's like receipts of response, and then require sign in. So you will one email address. So you can see I've got my YouTube channel, Junior Minecraft Genius One. So I can only do one time. After that, it's not allowed. Edit after submit. So people that respond can edit after the submit. Which for like test, this is not. You have to keep this off. And all that's the summary chart. Then presentation, show progress bar. So then you can show the person that does this their progress. Shuffle question order. Now be careful with this because shuffle question order. So if you want to make it a test, not a test, but some type of survey, it'll be like what is your name will come in the middle, and first will come um buy this certificate. What is it? Show a picture of your certificate. So that will be confused. Now confirmation message is that once the guy that does your thing finishes, he will get this message saying um uh thanks, save. So now if we add a question here, title, if we just add something called title, and then description ASAP. I don't know. And then you can add a question saying, you can just add a question saying, are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber? And then you can click. So suggestions. You can take suggestions as well. Yes, no. And then that's that. So then we got that. So then now that we've got this, it has to collect email addresses. I recommend turn that off. But if you want to add responses, receipts, you have to do that. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Sorry. So I recommend turn this off. Response receipts, response receipt. So you don't require this at all, and you don't need that if you want. So then you've got limit one response. Then presentation, show progress bar. Thanks for doing this this survey. I like that. And then we've got quizzes. So you can make this a quiz immediately after submission. Release grade immediately after submission. Later after manual. Missed questions, response can say missed question. These are for like teachers out there who watch this video. You guys mainly will use this area. Yeah, so yeah. And then you can preview, you can see this is exactly so sorry guys. This is exactly how the doers will see it. And then you've got a theme. We can choose an image. Work and school, you can just choose um a paintbrush there, and you see that at the top an image of paintbrush will come. Then you can add a background color, and then you can add the font style. If you want to change the font, things like these decoration, it's harder to read. So if you want to do anything, the best one I recommend that Google gives you is playful. It's easy to read, and then that's image uploaded. So that's that. So now you can click send. You can send to email addresses. So yeah, you can send to your own email and all. Or if you want, you can take a URL and send it to your friends, or add it if you're a YouTuber, add it in the description. You can also shorten the URL to make it a shortened URL because seeing this is just like, what is that? And then you've also got this, which is for HTML. So if you've got a website, this is the code you have to put in. So yeah, so now we can, since I was the one that made it, let's try this thing out. Let's go to preview and let's do this. What is your name? My name is Wayne. That's not my name. My name is Junior Minecraft Genius. And then we click next. Wait, next. And then it asks you, are you a YouTuber? Yes. And then submit. So now it says, thanks for doing the survey. And now if I go here, you'll see responses saying that what is your name, Junior Minecraft Genius. I did this, but it's saying that it's got one response. And yeah, so that's that. So that is all about Google Forms. Yes, guys, Google Forms. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like and hit that notification button. Oh yeah, guys, sorry. And oh sorry, yeah, my mic just got unplugged. So yeah, guys, so that's what that is. And if you want so yeah, so like and subscribe. Also hit that notification button, like you can see at the bottom left hand side of the screen. And also, um, have a great day, really. And this is Junior Minecraft Genius out.